So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make dishwasher detergent. And so what you will need is borax. We're going to need 1 cup of that, 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 of a cup of citric acid, 15 drops of lemon essential oil, and 10 drops of orange essential oil. So I just have a Tupperware container. I picked out one that has like this little flip top lid so I can easily scoop it out as I need to. So I'm going to add my 1 cup of borax. And you can find borax near the washing powder section in your grocery store. Okay, 1 cup of that. We're going to do 1 cup of baking soda. Okay. 1/4 of a cup of citric acid. Citric acid, I bought mine from Amazon. However, you can find this in the canning aisle near the canning supplies. And this is 1/4 of a cup. Okay. We're going to use 15 drops of lemon essential oil. And 10 drops of the orange. Okay, gonna put my lid on. Shake it all up, mix it up really well. And when you go to use this, what you will need is just 2 tablespoons that goes in your dishwasher. Enjoy!